Good morning, it's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. All my SPY targets are about to get hit. You guys do know that I've been talking about this 537.47 area, or 537 really, since last week. It's about a hit. I'd probably give it like another 5 minutes or something before. We're really 20 cents away, so I figured I might as well just make this video. So yeah, all my SPY targets hit. As of right now, I am looking for a little bit more of a bullish push towards the upside. Maybe we see 546 today on the SPY. Let me actually add this. There you go. We might actually hit 540 since we are pretty bullish today and we have CPI tomorrow. So the full push might actually happen today. I really don't think we'll see anything higher than that. And then after that, it's going to be more than likely just a wait till tomorrow's CPI report. So as of right now, I mean, I am, like I said, I've been pretty bullish. My target's about to get hit. I don't really know what else to say, right? I've been telling you guys all my targets for SPY have been hitting recently, not recently, but just they've always been hitting, right? So every single video I made. But yeah, just wanted to make a quick video. As of right now, I am bullish for the day. And then tomorrow we'll come back after CPI and we'll see what happens, right? So this high just hit, there you go. And it's gonna hit right now. Give it there you go. And as officially, there you go. That's my target right there, like I told you guys. And I'm actually in Microsoft calls. So let's see where Microsoft's at. I hope Microsoft kept pushing. There you go. So Microsoft might actually hit at 416. I think I had 410 calls expiring a month out. So I do think Microsoft more than likely will hit that 416. I might take a chance tomorrow. There are some, I think I was saying, MU, I gave targets on MU, ABGO, SMCI, I forgot which other ones, but I might do a little bit of risk and take those for, during CPI to see if CPI actually runs pretty hard tomorrow. But yeah, we'll see. All my targets hit. We'll see what happens tomorrow after CPI. Then I'll come back and make another video. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.